Want to know how to use Facebook Messenger without the app? You would want to use the Facebook Messenger without the app to avoid using device storage. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use Facebook Messenger without the app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. At the top right corner of your screen, you can see the Messenger icon. Tap on it. Here you can see all the messages. Now I will uninstall the Messenger app. Again, go to the Facebook app and tap on the Messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Finally, you can see all the messages despite deleting the Messenger app. So this is how to use Facebook Messenger without the app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.